In this video, we will build a simple but powerful to-do list app with Django and Bootstrap. This app lets us to create, view, update and delete tasks. Each task has a title. We can set task priority to high, medium or low and mark task as completed or pending. If you want to update a task, click on the edit button of that task. The model will open, allowing you to modify the task details. You can change anything. Click update to save the changes. Deleting a task. To delete a task, click on the delete button. You will be prompted to confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the task will be removed from the table. Add a new task. To add a new task, simply click on the add new task button. A model will appear where you can enter the task details. Once you click it, add task, the task will be added to the table and successfully message will be shown. Reset all tasks. If you want to start fresh and remove all tasks, simply click on the reset all task button. This will delete all the tasks on the table. Now let's move on the project. Install Python and Django. Before installing Django for this project, it's important to ensure that you have Python installed on your local machine. If you don't have Python, you can download it from the official website python.org. To check if Python is already installed or not, open your command prompt or terminal, just type Python version, it will show the installed Python version. Now check the Django version by giving this command. If you don't have Django installed, you can install it with this one command, pip install Django. This will start the development server and make your application accessible in a web browser. Ensure that you follow the installation and setup instructions carefully to avoid any issues. By giving Django admin start project to the checklist, Django will start a new project for us. Now navigate to the project directory. We can run this server by pipemanage.py runner server. It means that Django is installed correctly and development server has started. By default, Django provides us a few files for the project like manage.py, urls.py and settings.py. So now we need to create an app task by giving this command pipemanage.py start app task. This app also contains a few different files like views, sets, admin and models.py. Models in Django represent the application data structure. Here we created a simple task model with different fields like title, description, priority and status. We now make migration by simply running this command pipemanage.py make migration, pipemanage.py migrate. Let's create view function. Views are the logic behind processing requests. Task list function retrieves the list of tasks from the database and enter the task list.html template. We also need to define URL patterns in the task app, so let's create a urls.py file so that Django can easily recognize our function. After this, just add the app URLs to the project directory, urls.py file. Create a task directory inside the task app and also need to create a task list.html file to display tasks on the browser. I grab a starter template from Bootstrap and paste the existing style for our project. Now I need to run a server. You can see that we got our style, but we don't have a task added yet. Let's add a task from the Django admin. You can access this page by going localhost/admin. We need to create other functions too, like creating tasks, updating and deleting tasks. Let me add these functions quickly. After adding this function, let's create URL. Now designed to create and update tasks, include add task and reset tasks button. Let me add a new task. You can see that after adding a task, it is shown on the table and message displayed through. So this is our final product. I have added a few styles to make this table stripped and beautiful. You can tell me in the comment section how this project was, or if you want any other things, I will do another project only for you. Thanks for watching.